Shalom everyone, this is Ate Ai and I'm back to our channel at pasensya na po kayo, medyo malat pa ang aking boses. Okay guys, today's vlog ang ating pag-aaralan ay Infinitive To Use in Hebrew, Lehishtamesh. Pag-aaralan natin ang verb use, kung paano natin ito sasabihin sa present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay, Bonat Kel. Present tense use for masculine singular, I use. Ani mistamesh. You use. Ata mistamesh. He use. Who mistamesh. Present tense use for feminine singular, I use. Ani mistameshet. You use. At mistameshet. She use. He mistameshet. Present tense use for masculine plural, we use. Anachnu mistamshim. You use. Atem mistamshim. They use. Hem mistamshim. Present tense use for feminine plural, we use. Anachnu mistamshut. You use. Aten mistamshut. They use. Hen mistamshut. Okay, now past tense used. I used. Masculine singular, hishtamashti. I use. Feminine singular, hishtamashti. You used. Masculine singular, hishtamashta. You used. Feminine singular, hishtamast. He used. Hishtamesh. She used. Hishtamsha. We used. Masculine plural or mixed gender, hishtamasno. We use. Feminine plural, hishtamasno. You used. Masculine plural, hishtamastem. You used. Feminine plural, hishtamasten. They use. Masculine plural, hishtamshu. They use. Feminine plural, hishtamshu. Okay, now for future tense, will use. I will use. Masculine singular, ani ishtamesh. I will use. Feminine singular, ani ishtamesh. You will use. Masculine singular, ata tishtamesh. You will use. Feminine singular, at tishtamshi. He will use. Hu yishtamesh. She will use. Lehishtamesh. We will use masculine plural or mixed gender. אנחנו נשתמש. We will use feminine plural. אנחנו נשתמש. You will use masculine plural. אתם תשתמשו. You will use feminine plural. אתן תשתמשנה. They will use masculine plural. הם ישתמשו. They will use feminine plural. הן תשתמשנה. Okay, now pag-aralan naman natin ang command or ang imperative. Imperative use for masculine singular, Lehishtamesh. Imperative use for feminine singular, Lehishtamshi. Imperative use for masculine plural, Lehishtamshu. Imperative use for feminine plural, Lehishtameshna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. At huwag rin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa i-upload kong mga videos. Hamon-hamon tudali kolkem, yum tov, ve lihitraot.